That's a grunt.
Red eyes.
Left, right. Oh man!
Ooh, that's a big one.
You got the best so far.
Oh, look at me!
Let's get some fish. That's it.
Good one?
Yeah, she has one.
Good one?
That's a nice one.
I mean, like, an edible, you're not gonna go.
Yeah, it's a snapper. Nice one.
Is that a good one? See?
Yeah, it's a nice one. Take your time though.
Is it a good one?
It's a snapper. Yeah, open the bill. Give me some snap. And the whole broad tip of it is in the fish's mouth. Hey, hey, why didn't you say you're finding something crazy up here? Did it get off? Oh. It got off! Oh. Was it a cuda? Barracuda? Give me. Give me! Like, hey, hey, hey! I just saw the line bending, yeah. And then I heard it run a little bit. You're so quiet, man. It's not an edible one anymore, but it was.
Oh, do you use it?
Yeah. No, I mean, I got that one.
Yeah, didn't you see it?
I didn't see it.
Yeah, a barracuda took it.
A barracuda?
Yeah, that's why I'm coming out here to set him back out of the line. Fish. Check her bait, bud. Check her bait.
Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm racing the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm racing the clock.